Hello everyone, and meet the EchoSmile Foldable Wagon, designed to handle your toughest outdoor hauling tasks easily. This heavy-duty iron frame supports up to 350 pounds with durable waterproof fabric. You can set it up in seconds without any tools and fold it compactly for storage. Large all-terrain wheels glide over sand, snow, and grass while maintaining excellent stability on rugged ground. The telescopic handle adjusts from 20 to 30 inches to provide a comfortable height for every user. Use it for camping trips, beach days, or gardening to make transporting your gear much more convenient. This versatile utility cart is the perfect companion for all your favorite outdoor adventures and shopping trips. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.